Chapter 3.1 Writing and Graphing Inequalities. An inequality is a mathematical sentence that compares two expressions. It contains the symbol less than, greater than, less than equal, or greater than equals to. To write an inequality, look for the following phrases to determine where to place the inequality symbol. For example, if you're talking about this symbol, then this symbol is used for less than. So for example, if you write x here, so it means that x is less than a number. So let's say this hash is a number. So this is used for less than, or it is also called fewer than. So let's say x is fewer than 2, x is less than 2. For the next one, this symbol is called for greater than. So the word is greater than. And if the x is here, which means that x is greater than a number or larger than a number. So next one is the symbol that has a underneath this line. So it's the same symbol if you notice, but this symbol has a line underneath. And now this is called less than equals. So this is called is less than or equals or equal to. So less than equal to, because it has a line underneath. This is also called most or no more. So if, for example, x is here, the number is here, we will call it as x less than equals to a number, whatever this number is. Now if notice, this symbol is the same symbol as this one, so it's a greater than symbol, but the line underneath means that is greater than equal to. So you're going to write this one that x is greater than equal. So x is greater than or equal to whatever the number is. It is also called that it is at least, or it is also called is no less than. So which means that x is greater than equal to a number, or x is at least this number and more, or it is called x is no less than this number. Okay, we're going to use these symbols in our examples. So again, this is less than, this is greater than. If the line underneath of them, then it's called less than equal to, greater than equal to. Example number 1, writing an inequality. A number w minus 3.5 is less than or equal to negative 2. Write this sentence as an inequality. So you're going to write this in an inequality. When we call that this is, write it in as an equation, then you use equal sign. When it is said that inequality, then we are going to use less than, greater than, or less than equal to, or greater than equal to. So this sentence less than equal to means that it is this sign. Now we are going to use w minus 3.5. So w minus 3.5 is w minus 3.5. Less than equal means less than equal this sign. And then the inequality will be this w minus 3.5 less than equals to negative 2. Now you're gonna pause this video and try these two problems, and we will go over this together. So let's discuss number 1 here. A number b is fewer than 30.4. Fewer means less than, or this is the symbol we're going to use for less than. So b is less than 30.4. Write it in an inequality. B is less than 30.4. For question number 2, twice a number. Twice means 2 times a number. K is at least negative 7/10. At least means greater than or equal. So greater than equal to sign is this one. So 2 times the number k, so 2 times the number k, 2k, is greater than equal to negative 7 over 10. Next is a solution of an inequality is a value that makes the inequality true. So for example, if you get 2 equal to 2, then it means that is true. So if 5 is less than 7, it is true. So all those numbers that makes the inequality true, that is called a solution for that inequality. An inequality can have more than one solution. The set of all solution of an inequality is called solution set. So let's check for negative 6 and plug it in here to see if the inequality is true or false. So you're going to use the negative 6 for x, and let's see. So negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. Negative 1 is greater than negative 2. So that is true. It means that negative 6 is a solution. So which means it means that negative 6 is a solution. Now check for negative 7. So negative 7, you're going to plug it in into the equation. So negative 7 plus 5 is greater than equal negative 2. So that's going to be negative 2 greater than equal to 2. So we know that negative 2 is not greater than negative 2, but negative 2 is equal to negative 2. So this is going to be true. And we're going to say that negative 7 is a solution because negative 7 is the number that makes the inequality true. Next, we are going to check the x value when x value is negative 8. So negative 8 plus 5 greater than equal to negative 2. So that's going to be negative 3 greater than equal to negative 2. So since negative 2, this is a number line right here. So this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4, and so on. So we know that this negative 3 comes after negative 2. So it means that negative 3 is not greater than equal to negative 2. So this means that this is false. So which means negative 8 is not a solution because for this value, for the negative 8 value, the inequality came out false.